Hi, I'm Dr. Petty with Carolina Chiropractic. I'm here with Dave today, and he is going to tell you about his first experience that he had last time he was here, and then we're going to adjust him here in just a moment.
Now, I came in about a week ago with, I had a 2-month history of pain up over the left scapula, and it was going down into the hand with numbness, and came in and Dr. Petty adjusted me, and I got almost instant relief. He also did my lower back, which I didn't realize was as big a problem as it was, and he adjusted the lower back, and when I left here, I had a marked improvement.
Good.
And my wife even commented that I was walking taller. And so I'm back today for follow-up, and I still have a little twinge up over the top of the shoulder blade.
Right in
and
here?
just a little bit lower, right there.
Okay,
Yeah.
right there.
And he's going to adjust again today.
Okay, sure. Now what we are going to do is just kind of adjust them a little bit. Loosen things up and get that pinch off. You said the numbness in the hand went completely away, right?
Yep.
Okay, which is excellent news. And then if you don't mind taking your glasses off for me, Dave,
Sure.
I am going to have you lie down on your stomach with your head right up here. Okay. All right, we're going to lower you down just a little bit. All right. First things first, you're going to take a deep breath in and all the way out. Good. Another deep breath and all the way out. Good. You okay?
Yep.
Good. One more time. Just trying to get it loose. All right, breathe in and all the way out. Good. Lie on your back for me if you don't mind.
This is the hardest part.
Or the rolling over. That's what everybody says. Did you get any more narrow tables? Yeah. All right, so this will come right here. You okay?
Yep.
Good. And you were having pain in both shoulders,
Right.
It was just the left side was worse.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yep.
That's what I had in my notes and everything. Just relax right here, nice and easy. Good, right? Good. That was a quick little adjustment on his mid-back and neck. Thank you.